In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access advanced features. Then scroll all the way down to click on Dual Messenger. Following that, click on one of those switchers next to one of your apps that are available to clone. Hit install and wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings, click on No Blue switcher and hit uninstall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!